Hi, welcome to our second video on spiritual practices. Today we're going to be looking at how we can draw near to God through nature. Do you ever find yourself longing to be outside or yearning to hike a trail or to be near water? Often that's our soul's way of telling us of our own longing to connect with the Creator through His creation. So for this exercise, you're going to need a pen and paper or a journal, something to write with and something to write on. So feel free to pause the video and go get what you need for today. We're going to explore today how the Creator speaks to us through creation. The Bible tells us that nature declares who God is, that creation itself speaks about our Creator. And so we're going to lean into that a little bit today. But before we start, we're going to light a candle just as a physical reminder that we are already fully enveloped and embraced by the love of God. That there's nothing that we have to do to earn it or to keep it or to receive it. It's freely given to us. We are embraced as we are. We're already immersed in His presence as He is nearer than the air we breathe. And everything we do today will be under the warm glow of love, grace, and mercy. So we're going to start our practice off today by taking some deep breaths. So if you can get yourself into a comfortable position, you can have your eyes open or your eyes closed. Taking these deep breaths is just a simple way of slowing ourselves down both physically and spiritually. But it also helps us to be present in this current moment. So take a deep breath with me, would you? And release. Inhale. And exhale. As you continue deep breathing, there's some things that happen to our body when we do that. Where oxygen begins to fill our blood pressure drops, and our heart rate slows down. Stress and anxiety are reduced. Posture, blood quality, and lung function improves. It strengthens our immune system. It helps our nervous system to know that everything's okay. Spiritually, it makes us aware that He is nearer than the air we breathe. It quiets our mind so our soul can connect with the heart of God. So as you continue taking deep breaths, let's intentionally set our hearts in a space that's ready to receive all that the Creator has for us today. Let's take a few minutes just to pay attention to what's happening inside of our own body and to be still. Is there anything that you are carrying today that is just too heavy for you, that you would like to release to Him? Take a few minutes to do that. Whatever is weighing you down, concerns, fear, just lay that all with Him. Amen. Today we're going to use just a simple mini rose plant for our practice today. I have this one right here, but I'll actually record a different one for you so you can look at it while I walk you through a few questions. But the first question I have for you is this. I just want you to take a few minutes just to look at this rose. Look at this plant. Write down what you see, what you observe. Describe the plant. Question number 2. What is the purpose of a flower? What purpose does it serve? Question number 3. Based on your observations of this flower, what does it reveal to you about the Creator? What does it show you about the Creator? question number 4. After you review the answers to the first 3 questions, I want you to think about this. What is God saying to you about you through a tiny little flower? So review the answers to your first 3 questions. And then I want you to think about, what is God saying to you about you through a tiny little flower? Matthew 6 tells us that if God gives such attention to the wildflowers that are here today and gone tomorrow, most of which are never even seen, how much more important are you? He takes pride in you. He wants the best for you. So give your full attention to what God is doing right now. And don't fret about what may or may not happen. God will help you deal with whatever hard things come up when the time comes. Amen. Well, this is the end of our practice. However, if you would like to linger a little bit longer, you could look back over what you wrote down today and just pray a prayer of thanksgiving to the Lord today for what He has shown you. Another thing you could do is you could ask the Lord for a word or a phrase, an image or a song that you could carry with you throughout your day today. It's been a joy to walk you through this practice today. And if you'd like to connect, you can find me on Facebook. I'm at cabral.leanne is my author page. You can find my personal page at Leanne Hamer Cabral, or you can find me on Instagram at leanne.cabral. I'd love to answer any questions that you have about this practice or hear about how it was for you. But thank you for today. God's blessing upon you and yours.